Life has a funny way of teaching us. It will create deep sadness so we know how to truly understand happiness. It will create chaos in our lives so that we may appreciate the peaceful times, and it will take those we love away from us so that we will truly understand what their presence mean to us. Anyone invalidate or minimize how you feel. If you feel something, you feel it and it's real to you. Nothing anyone says has the power to invalidate that ever. No one else lives in your body. No one else sees life through your eyes. No one else has lived through your experiences. And so no one else has the right to dedicate or judge how you feel. Your feelings are important and you deserve to be heard. They are inherently valid and they matter. Don't let anyone know you. Goodbye to someone that you don't want to let go of, but it's even more painful to hold on them if they never wanted to stay in the first place. If someone doesn't show you the same love that you show them and acts if you are unimportant most of the time, this may be a big clue as to fact that you don't need them in your life either. The only people you truly need in your life and those who respect you. You let go of people without even noticing. You stop thinking of them every day. You stop waiting for them to reply to you. You stop allowing them take up so much space in your life. You move on. You go about your day without worrying about them. You stop expecting them to come back with an apology. You accept that they are no longer a part of life. You just let them go. She was beautiful, but not like those girls in the magazines. She was beautiful for the way she thought. She was beautiful for that sparkle in her eyes when she talked about something she loved. She was beautiful for her ability to make other people smile even when she was sad. No, she wasn't beautiful for something as temporary as her looks. She was beautiful deep down to her soul. You will continue to suffer if you have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to you. True power is sitting back and observing everything with logic. If words control you, that means everyone else can control you. Breathe and allow things to pass. Loyalty is built on trust. If you are one of those, trust no one. People, then I can't let you close because it's only a matter of time before you switch. I don't play games, I don't do some time and I don't respect the love unless it's unconditional. It's three things I need: trust, loyalty, and consistency. If any one of those is hard for you, I am not one for you. Let them judge you, let them misunderstand you, let them gossip about you. Their opinions aren't your problem. You stay kind, committed to love, and free in your authenticity. No matter what they do or say, don't you dare doubt your worth or beauty of your truth. Just keep shining like you do. As you are shifting, you will begin to realize that you are not the same person you used to be. The things you used to tolerate have now become intolerant. Where you once remained quiet, you are now speaking your truth. Where you once battled and argued, you are now choosing to remain silent. You are beginning to understand the value of your voice, and there are some situations that no longer deserve your time, energy, and focus. She's a good woman, but one thing she wouldn't do is force a man to realize that. If he doesn't recognize that on his own, it's his loss. Don't waste a minute not being happy. If one window closes, run to the next window or break down a door. You are the reason why I wake up every morning with a smile on my face. You don't need someone to complete you. You only need someone to accept you completely.